Your computer turns on, the fans are spinning, the power light is on, but nothing appears on the screen. Before you spend money on new parts or take your computer to a repair shop, there are several simple checks you can perform yourself. In this video, I'll show you 7 things to check when your PC powers on but shows no display. First, check the monitor. Make sure the monitor is powered on and the power indicator light is lit. Verify that the correct input source is selected. For example, if you're using an HDMI cable, make sure the monitor is set to HDMI input. If possible, connect another computer or laptop to the monitor. If it displays normally, the monitor is likely not the problem. Next, inspect the display cable. A faulty or loose HDMI, VGA, or DisplayPort cable can prevent the monitor from receiving a signal. Disconnect the cable from both ends and reconnect it securely. If you have another cable available, try replacing it. A damaged cable is often the cause of a no display issue. Now, check that the monitor is connected to the correct DisplayPort. If your computer has a dedicated graphics card installed, the monitor should usually be connected directly to the graphics card, not the motherboard. This is one of the most common mistakes and can easily result in a black screen. Another common cause is faulty or improperly seated RAM. Turn off the computer and disconnect the power cable. Open the side panel and carefully remove the RAM modules. Check for dust or dirt on the contacts and reinstall them firmly. If your computer has multiple RAM sticks, test them one at a time and try different RAM slots. A bad RAM module can prevent the system from displaying anything on the screen. The next component to check is the graphics card. If your computer uses a dedicated graphics card, make sure it is properly seated in the PCI Express slot. Remove it carefully and reinstall it. Also verify that all required power connectors are attached. If your processor supports integrated graphics, remove the graphics card and connect the monitor directly to the motherboard video output port. If the display returns, the graphics card may be the source of the problem. You should also listen for beep codes during startup. Many motherboards use beep sounds to indicate hardware faults. Continuous beeps often point to a memory problem, while other beep patterns may indicate graphics card or motherboard issues. If your motherboard speaker is connected, these sounds can provide valuable clues about the failing component. Another important step is resetting the CMOS battery.